Hi, welcome to Puntledge Park Elementary. We're so excited to show you our sensory path. A sensory path is a place where kids can move their bodies in different ways. It helps them reset them, get excited to go back to the class and be learners.
We're so thankful to have the artwork of Jesse Rakama, a Coast Salish artist from Qualicum Bay. When he heard about the sensory path, he wanted to do a play on perception. So at the top here, we've got the black raven, and underneath you need to look and maybe twist in your head the white raven. I really wanted to focus on the natural beauty of where we are, the trees, the ocean, the wildlife, the orca. The traditional lands of the Comox and Puntledge First Peoples are honored throughout our entire sensory path. We also wanted an added layer to this where the students and teachers can come out and use the artwork to inspire them to do Coast Salish art, Northwest Coast art in their classrooms, learn more about the characteristics of the animals. For instance, bear is for strength and for teamwork and cooperation. So all those things we can learn back in our classrooms, and we can be inspired by the artwork here as well.
The sensory path is great. The kids love it. It's joyful, active engagement, and they can return to their classroom and feel really good about themselves. We love it.
I like doing the hopscotch because hopscotch is one of my favorite things to do outside here in the courtyard.
When I finish the sensory path, I feel better. I like doing the swirl thing because it gives you exercise and it calms your mind at the same time, and it's really fun.
I like to balance on the feathers.
We are so fortunate to have built and created this sensory path on the lands of the Comox and Puntledge First Peoples. And it is beautiful to see the staff, the students, everyone come together and enjoy this.
It has been so exciting to see the kids as they go around and use it, and they can identify how it helps them. It's just wonderful. Kids, what do you think of the sensory path?
We love it!